everyone, and welcome to the channel. So in this episode, I'm going to be showing you guys some footage from the first night at the Roadkill Zip-Tie Drags in Tucson, Arizona. So, to kind of summarize this, didn't really get a whole lot of footage because for several hours we were just kind of sitting there in the staging lanes due to an accident, and so I figured after a while I was like, okay, let me go ahead and get some footage going through the staging lanes. So we had that, and then I cut it short because they were announcing that well, some other people were talking and looking at the glimpse app, and supposedly the Roadkill crew was almost there. So I decided, okay, let me head over to the gate and get some footage of them coming in. And you'll see in the footage, I was able to get Jacob and the Hornet, the Hornet. So got him coming in. I had just missed Lucky right before him coming in that wagon. But you'll see some footage of the wagon in the video footage from Saturday. And there's a few other cars, and I also got the general maintenance pulling in. I didn't get the Roadkill guys pulling in with the ugly truckling, mainly to the fact, you know, we were still waiting, didn't know whether they were going to show up. It got pretty chilly that night, and I was very tired from a long day from traveling since I flew down there. I got up at 4 o'clock in the morning Eastern time for a 6 a.m. flight. Got down there. I was one of the first ones there, and it was a long process of getting everyone in. So I didn't do any pit footage that day because a lot of people were still just rolling in throughout the night. Then so I left at around, I want to say 10 p.m. or so to head back to my hotel, and also got some food. And then I saw on the live footage, hey, look, they've arrived. So that was around 10:45. So I missed that. So my apologies for not getting that footage. But here's some footage of me walking through the staging lanes and then catching a couple of the people who did pull in through the gate.
safe.
Yeah, no shit. Sorry, man. Didn't mean to.
Oh, I would put 2 and 2 together. I'll be alright.
This lane's gonna be real slick. I'm coming down Houghton at 55 miles an hour, and it's
Dakota Sport, dude, it's pretty legit. V6 Magnum.
My neighbor has a Dakota V8 that body style.
Yeah.
I'm just saying. I need to go get a jacket. You need anything? I'm off the trend. That is the
until that happens.
Sleep better when you hurry in to the New Year's sleep sale going on now. And for a limited time only, to help keep you on the right track this year, we'll give you a free visit with a mattress purchase of $799 or more to track your sleep and help you meet your 2018 wellness goals.
Slow. They're heavy.
Oh, no, he's
yourselves?
Good, sir.
The Hornet. That was Andrew. So as I said before, that there was an accident on the track. I think it was second or third run of the night. This guy in this kind of old T-bucket looking hot rod. Suppose I heard it was his first time running this car at the track. He hit the wall, and then the car caught fire. They got him out, but apparently he also had some burns, so they care flighted him out. They said he was fine, but they still wanted to take him to the hospital and make sure. So I don't know if what all came of that afterwards. I'm hoping everything was fine. But here's some footage of the aftermath of that. Bit gnarly, but I think the vehicle's still savable. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. If it's your first time stopping by the channel, please subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day. And just keep an eye out for other footage that will be coming as well. I'll have some pit footage and the car show footage and staging lane footage of Saturday. And then I'm going to have a separate video of the Vans versus Finnegan and Freiberger, even though that actually got cut short. But I'll explain in that video when I get to it. So, have a great day.